On this episode of Clyde's Cache, we check out the dragon boats in downtown Portland. Then we make a shocking discovery in a geocache near a power station. Stick around. Okay. Look. Wow, look at those. I don't know, you want to go?
Look at them.
How cool is that?
Big video.
Yeah. Hey, look behind you too. We had to stop for some geocache fuel. Let's see what you got. OJ, donut. Chalky milk, donut. We gotta cross this busy road, okay? So let's go up here.
So turn it.
Called Troll Power 2.
So we have
There's
to
a
go.
power station.
Is it lost? Yeah,
Yep.
there's a foot trail. A half of an, when you go up and then down, it makes like a half of an M.
Yeah?
Where? I told you there was a trail up here. Betty, over here!
Over here, silly.
Wee rocks. Wee spots and tops. Get my riddle right.
Your what?
My riddle right.
Your riddle right?
Yes.
Hey, it's showing us there.
Oh. Probably up there. I see a foot trail, I think. There was one. Yeah, there's one over here, Dad.
Hey.
What? It's in there somewhere. Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh.
Wow, pretty big one.
101 geocache.
101. Bam, 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 bam. Pez?
Probably all dinosaur.
What is it?
Bracelet. What's this? Can I have it?
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh, a pocket
A
compass.
little pocket watch. It's a little pocket watch. Have I told you the story about when my eyeball fell out? Some stickers.
Yeah. Oh wait, no, it's all wet.
Put it in the log bag.
Oh, but the log bit's all wet.
Not on the inside.
Oh.
Here's some more Trader Joe's stickers. How about an army guy, a deformed army guy? Let's put him in there. Can you reach up there or do you need help?
I got this. Put these on top of it.